students, welcome to Maya Coaching Center. Today we are going to discuss the class 9 first topic of physics, that is motion. इसमें हम पहले brief description करेंगे about motion. There are two types of states of object. Object can be at rest, can be at motion. This object that are in rest, that do not change its position with respect to time. ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन विद टाइम चेंज नहीं करता, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट रेस्ट. एंड सेकेंड इज मोशन. ऑब्जेक्ट जो कवर करता है डिस्टेंस विद द टाइम, वी से दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन मोशन. देन देयर आर टू स्टडी दिस मोशन वी हैव टू फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज, that is measured quantities. Physical quantities means that we can measure. There are two physical quantity, one is scalar, other is vector. Scalar quantity that has magnitude only, that do not have direction. Example you can give for the scalar quantity like your mass. Mass is a scalar. You do not have direction of mass. Then is vector. In vector you have quantity, you have magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude and direction both are present in vector quantity. Example is, there are a lot of example of vector quantities like displacement. Displacement, when you displace from your position, like this is my initial position when I walk and I come here, this is my final position. This is a direction of this is towards the from left to right. Okay, this is the direction. Next is, there are terms related to motion. We have two terms, one is distance and other is displacement. When we move we have first quantity, that is distance, that do not give us the direction. Distance is like it depends upon the actual path I travel. Like I travel in a zigzag manner. This is the actual path. This is ACB. ACB is distance. There is no arrow on distance. And other is displacement. In displacement, the position depends only on the initial and final position. This is the shortest distance that we travel. That when I move in a zigzag path, my initial position is here and final position is here. It depends only on initial and final position. It do not depend upon this path, ACB. It only depends upon initial and final position. This we will discuss later also, and its measurement is meter. It is measured in meters. Now next is types of motion. There are two types of motion. One is uniform motion. Uniform motion means when an object covers equal distance in equal time, like a car. Car when it starts from A and at B position it covers 60 meters in 3 seconds. Then from B to C, then again it covers 60 meters in 3 seconds, and C to D it covers 60 meters in 3 seconds. In equal interval of time they are covering the same distance. Next is non-uniform motion. When an object covers unequal distance, like in first 3 seconds they are covering 60 meters, and in next 3 seconds it is covering 50 meters, and in next 3 seconds it is covering 40 meters. This is non-uniform motion. And further there are topics about the measurement of rate of motion. Our next topic is measurement of rate of motion. In measurement we means that are measured quantities like distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration. These are the terms related to motion that we are studying in this chapter. Now our topic is speed and velocity. This is the rate, measurement of rate of motion. मतलब क्या है इसका कि distance with respect to time क्या देता है हमें. First is, अगर आप distance ले रहे हो तो distance with respect to time is known as speed. Speed को हम v से measure करेंगे, v से denote करेंगे, and velocity is displacement per unit time, जिसको हम v vector से denote करेंगे, because velocity is a vector quantity. और ये जो arrow है, arrow हमें direction देता है, डायरेक्शन शो करता है. Both the quantities have same units, that is meter per second. These formulas, two formulas, these are for uniform motion, and for non-uniform motion we will calculate average speed, not this speed and velocity, we will calculate average speed और average velocity. इसका फॉर्मूला सिर्फ इतना डिफरेंस है कि आपने टोटल डिस्टेंस या टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम लेना है. इसमें हम डिस्टेंस ओवर टाइम लेते हैं जो इंटरवल में दिया होता है, एंड एवरेज इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टोटल टाइम. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वांटिटी इज लास्ट क्वांटिटी जो इस चैप्टर की है, दैट इज एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? जब आपकी वेलोसिटी इनिशियल से फाइनल कितनी चेंज हो रही है, दैट इज नोन एज एक्सेलरेशन. इट इज गिवन बाय डिफरेंस इन वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम. v minus u. v is the final velocity that you have attained and u is the initial velocity जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया है ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, अपॉन टाइम. दिस इज नोन एज एक्सेलरेशन and its unit is meter per second square. And acceleration is further divided into two types, that is uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration का मतलब क्या होता है कि जब आपकी velocity equal amount से बढ़ रही हो in equal time, like in 2 seconds your velocity is 3 meter per second and in next 2 seconds it becomes 3 से क्या हो गई 6 meter per second, and from C to D it becomes 9 meter per second. See the difference in these two are 3 and 3. तो इक्वल अमाउंट से वो इंक्रीज हो रही है वेलोसिटी, दैट इज नोन एज यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. एंड इन नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन वेलोसिटी का इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज अनइक्वल अमाउंट से हो, कोई डिफरेंस मतलब डिफरेंस इक्वल अमाउंट से नहीं है, डिफरेंस इज रैंडम. Like from first to second your velocity is 3 meter per second, and in next there is 5 meter per second, and in next there is 6 meter per second. So the gap between this is there is difference of 1 between 3 and 4, and there is difference of 2 between 4 and 6. So it is increasing or decreasing by unequal amount. This is a topic of acceleration. And one thing, एक्सेलरेशन जब आप पढ़ते हो, हम तो पहले सिंपल जो फॉर्मूले होते हैं वो यूज करते हैं, डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम. जब आप एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन की बात करते हो तो हमारे पास इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशंस इससे चेंज हो जाती हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन. ये सिर्फ यूनिफॉर्म के लिए ही है, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन के लिए ये इक्वेशंस वैलिड नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बिकम्स v is equals to u plus at, where v is the final velocity. I am again repeating, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the uniform acceleration and t is the time. This is the first equation जो velocity time relation के according आपको दी हुई है. Next equation is s is equal to, s is the displacement. Displacement is equals to ut plus half at square. And next is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So आपने ये इक्वेशंस लगानी है अगर आपके न्यूमेरिकल में यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेटेड मोशन का कोई भी सम आता है, तो आपने इन तीनों में से लगानी है. ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपके न्यूमेरिकल में आपको पूछा क्या है. कि अगर आपको इनिशियल वेलोसिटी गिवन है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी गिवन है, एक्सेलरेशन गिवन नहीं है, टाइम इज गिवन, देन यू विल अप्लाई दिस फर्स्ट. ओनली वन क्वांटिटी शुड मिस इन दिस इक्वेशन. अगर आपकी 2 क्वांटिटीज मिस हैं तो आप सॉल्व नहीं कर सकोगे, तो आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको न्यूमेरिकल्स में क्या कुछ गिवन है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट, दिस इज अ ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर मोशन. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट then you can ask in comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.